Hello everyone, this is another video brought to you by Lake Worth Beach Mortgage. Today we are revisiting Loan Shield. We're going to call it Loan Shield 2.0, and this is an actual case study with actual numbers. Loan Shield is a post-closing feature that is optional. With Loan Shield, it costs 30 basis points when pricing your loan. That comes to about $600 on a $200,000 loan. The feature allows the borrower to retain servicing at United Wholesale Mortgage for 5 years after closing. Why is this important? This allows the borrowers to recast their loan down the road without having to pay for the costs of refinancing. Without Loan Shield, you get the same regular great pricing, but if the borrower wishes to apply a lump sum after closing, they can, but the principal and interest portion of the payment will stay the same until the loan is paid off. This feature is designed for customers who earn their money in big chunks. Say, for example, self-employed people, maybe customers who buy before selling and will sell their existing home after closing. Maybe customers who are expecting an inheritance or money from a lawsuit or anything like that. Here are the actual numbers on a loan that I am working on today. The client needs a loan for $235,000, but when they sell their other condo here in South Florida, they will net probably $150,000, $160,000. So if they buy Loan Shield, there's a pricing adjustment of 30 basis points or $686. And if they pay down the mortgage later, after the sale, their principal and interest payment will drop from $1,619 to $566 a month going forward. Here we're going to do the actual math on the same deal, comparing a fixed rate mortgage on a second home condo with me versus a home equity line of credit on their primary residence from a bank from New York. And I just want to point out the bank from New York will probably take 90 days, where I will do mine in probably 21 days. Once again, on my fixed rate mortgage, it's going to be 70 to 75% financing. Some origination fee between 0.75% to 1.5%. Last time I checked, the rate was about 7.625, depending upon lots of variables when we price out the loan. We are assuming good credit here. Fixed rate mortgage, 30 years. And with my loan, if you're going to be selling assets later, we need to keep the loan at least 181 days or they come back to Lake Worth Beach Mortgage. Okay, so the same loan on the variable rate side. Interest rate only payment for the first 3 to 10 years, depending upon the bank. Not principal and interest compared to option A. Interest rate in the ballpark of 10 and an eighth. Every time the Federal Reserve raises the federal funds rate, it affects this rate directly. The payment is actually $385 higher than the fixed rate option with principal and interest. That's $1,619 versus $2,004 per month. If you would like to learn more about Loan Shield, please feel free to give us a call anytime at 561-329-0075, or you can start the process online using our quick response code to the right. Thank you and have a great day.